Ang dami nga naman kasi talaga namin. We're 112 creators. Oh my God! So, dito na po kami ngayon sa Hiroshima, mga bestie ko. Sobrang sarap. We are already here in the heart of Onomichi. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Good morning! Good morning mga bestie girls! Day 3 for Creatorverse. Or day 2 pala, sorry, day 2. Ang aga, it's just 6:45 AM. 5 oras lang yata yung tulog ko. Asa tita, kailangan ko kasi 8 hours. But it's okay. We just checked out from Washington Hotel and we are proceeding to the station at mag-Hiroshima kami. Mag-JR Shinkansen kami. Then mag-Hiroshima! Goodbye na for Washington Hotel. Lalaban na kami for Hiroshima. This is our bus going to the station. Ayan ang aming squad. Morning squad. Mga walang tulog din itong mga to for sure. So yeah. Na-excite na ako matulog. 3 hours yung biyahe namin sa Shinkansen. So for sure, log to to. POV ko, POV nila. Antok pa. Okay, so we're already here in Tokyo Station. Imimit ko na yung mga group ko before we head to the mismong train. Oh my God, mukha akong itlog, but let's go. Ang aking group, ayan ang aking group mate!
Group number 4.
3!
Yes, 4.
Ate, 3. Nakikita ng vlog ko.
4.
Ito yung mga group mates namin. Say hi naman mga group mates! Group mates! Group mates! So, he was also my group mate last year. So, we're gonna do content together again! And ang mga kalaban.
Yan.
Galingan nyo guys.
Okay na yun.
Isip.
So mga bestie ko, we are already here in the station. Hindi ko alam kung sinabi ko na yung kanina, but we already here in the station. And we are about to board the JR Shinkansen. I think this is gonna be my first time doing the JR Shinkansen. Kasi before, puro Tokyo, Osaka lang naman ako and hindi naman ako nagta-train in between. So yes! Ngayon, unahan ko na kayo. This is a sponsored activity. So hindi talaga yung usual process ng JR Shinkansen yung ma-experience namin. But pwede ko naman i-share sa inyo yung usual. Sa mga bestie ko, i-share ko na lang din sa inyo ang JR Shinkansen. Ito yung coverage niya. I'll just attach it here. Usually ginagamit ito ng mga Pilipino. Miss Jen! Kukoy!
Group for number 1.
Hala, nagdi-discuss ako ng JR Shinkansen dito. Hindi ko naman kayo inaano. For your information mga bestie ko, ito yung price. Tumutulo na yung laway ko. Ang maganda dito sa JR Shinkansen, if you're gonna book through Klook, you already have your QR code. You don't have to line up. So, skip the line na siya. Then, you can even reserve your tickets online. So, pagka mag-Shin Osaka kayo, book nyo tong seat na to para kitang-kita yung Mount Fuji. If swerte kayo, di ba? And also, you even have the option and the benefit of having your own bento meal. Di ba? Very Japanese here. Oh my God, we are boarding, Eme. So, So we're already here inside the train. Medyo nagkakagulo pa ang mga fur zones because ang dami nga naman kasi talaga namin. We're 112 creators boarding the Shinkansen. Take note mga bestie ko, grabing itlog naman talaga. Oo. If you're also gonna do JR Shinkansen, pack lightly, as in minimal sana na luggage kasi kayo din mahihirapan. Very little lang yung space for large luggages. Yung mga small or yung cabin size, kaya naman dito sa taas. But yung mga large ones, konti lang talaga. I'll show you samples. Ayan yung mga diba? If not, kasya naman siya here. But if tatlo yung dala nyo hindi ko sure kung paano siya pagkakasyahin. Ayan na, nagmo-move na siya. Nagmo-move na siya mga bestie ko. Nagmo-move na kami pero hindi pa po kalma ang mga fur zones natin. Leg space. Very nice. As you can see, ayan kayang-kaya mong mag-stretch. I love it. The seats, hindi siya nagre-recline. Hindi siya nare-recline. Or nare-recline? Ayan, nare-recline siya. So, nare-recline siya. Over here, meron tayong table. So, ayan, medyo malayo siya sa body mo if you're gonna make sandal. Make sandal. We have Wi-Fi on board. Ito yung saksakan. Meron ba? Hindi ko sure. Later na. Tama na. Tama na to. Later na talaga, guys. Medyo magulo pa ang mga persons dito. May seatmates, nonchalant, mga wala pang tulog. So mga bestie ko, take note as well. Oh my God, this is very, very Klook exclusive. This is very, very special moment. Ganon. If you book through Klook, they actually have an option, exclusive to Klook lang to add a bento box. So imagine mo, sila lang yung mag-ganito. Especially if you're traveling early in the morning. So at least, di ba, may breakfast or in the afternoon, may lunch or in the evening, dinner. So, di ba, i-unbox natin, mga beshi ko. Pull out the string until the end. So you pull out the string. Hindi siya ma-pull. Ito to. Ayan na. Ay,
Ulit.
Wow!
tas ito na, pull na lang. Wow! Sarap! We have init! We have taste test. Wala sa Siargao to, or I'm not sure kung meron. Sarap siya, tapos mas sumasarap kasi sobrang gutom na ako. So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Hiroshima, mga bestie ko. After 3 hours something na travel via JR Shinkansen, we're finally here. Grabe, ang haba din pala ng biyahe, mga bestie ko. But ang maganda dito kasi talagang pinaghandaan ni Klook ang aming mga transfers. So, imagine the whole JR Shinkansen train all to ourselves. We're already getting our luggages, and as you can see here, may mga sarili-sarili kaming mga tour buses. Ayan, no, ang lalaki. Tour buses per group. We are consisting of 4 groups. So, 1 group each. Each group, mga bestie ko, iba't ibang mga delegates from all over the world. So, talaga, they make sure na you will meet new friends, experience new experiences with your new friends. Talagang exciting! On the next couple of days, it's gonna be, for sure, full of adventures and experiences with our creator friends. Hey. So first stop na, hi, do you know where this place is? What's the name of the place? We are currently here at
Hiroshima Okonomiyaki no Monogatari no Ikimabiru. So it's a building that's full of Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki. And if you don't know what that is, okonomiyaki is like a savory pancake.
Yes.
And the starking difference is, in Osaka, they don't use noodles. So Hiroshima likes to use noodles.
In Osaka, just eggs,
just
right?
Egg or whatever.
Yeah. It's not the regular okonomiyaki. Noodles siya. Kasi in Osaka, it's yung egg lang mismo. This one may noodles. Tapos, ayan, may itlog, bacon, then yung sauce. So, let's try it out.
Nakakabusog na to. No?
Ang ganda ng pagka-crispy niya. Ang sarap. This is my first time. I love the sauce so much. Sobrang sarap.
Oishi.
Bestie ko, we had a almost full day exploring the iconic spots of Hiroshima. And while we were exploring it, may mga parang pa-challenge si Klook sa amin. Wherein we will be creating a cutesy video to showcase itong mga attractions na to. So ito yung ginawa namin. O, diba? Power! Napaka-competitive naman mga bestie ko. I think mananalo kami dito. Dali. Hiroshima is really, really beautiful. It's actually my first time. And comparing it to Tokyo and Osaka, it has a different vibe in a way that it's very charming. It's very peaceful. So, it's already dinner time! At dinala po kami ni Klok dito sa malaki, hindi naman super pero medyo elegante na buffet dinner place here in Hiroshima. Kung nakikita nyo, ang laki, ang daming pagkain, and ang bango po ng place. Ayun, ang bango. I love it.
Wow, grabe. Gano'n na po kahaba ang YouTube vlog ni Coles Vidal Official. Coles Vidal Official.
Kinikilig na.
Yeah. Guys, alam niyo ba ang pagbabalik ni Coles? Grabe yung plano niya. Nakita ko sa notes. Madaming lalabas na YouTube vlog all for you. Ano tawag mo sa kanila? Colesonatics? Ano? Colesonatics?
Besties lang. Ito talaga. Colesonatics. Sa totoo lang, medyo hindi pala maraming choices as I expected. Pero at least may beef.
Ay, wala akong sinasabi. Grabe kayo.
Ang sarap, ang sarap. Ang sarap lang. Oh my God. This is probably one of the most luxurious hotel that I stayed in during my whole Japan travel, mga bestie ko. Chinek-in lang naman kami ni Klok sa Hilton Hiroshima. Our room is not just a regular room. It is a very, very huge quality. Ang bango. Luxurious talaga akong luxurious na room here in Hiroshima. Oh my God. So, of course, magro-room tour po tayo. So, as you can see here, pagpasok mo pa lang, ang laki na ng area. Malilito ka na lang kung saan mo ilalagay ang luggage mo. We have here a huge storage area. Ang daming mga ayan o, ang laki ng cabinet pang pamilya. And inside the cabinet, ayan, may, perfect. Kailangan ko to for tomorrow. Plancha. Ang daming hangiran. Ang laki ng storage sa taas. Here on this side, merong safety deposit. Then we got 2 free hotel slippers over here. Sa tapat ng storage area na to is ayan, lagayan ng luggage. And may mga drawers. Inside the drawer, merong cute. Merong libreng pantulog na pwede mong gamitin during your stay. The others are just, ayan, free drawers that you can use for your stuff. Then, beside the other storage area is another storage na may, ayan, mini refrigerator. Ang cute. May coffee maker. Meron ditong parang tea set. Ang cute. Inside the drawers, may mga glasswares and tea and coffee sets. Then yeah, that's it! Then let's now proceed to the bed. Ang ganda. We have 2 double beds. For sure, malambot na malambot. Ang maganda dyan, mga bestie ko, sa tabi ng double beds are actually control buttons na pwede nyong gamitin in controlling yung lights sa buong room nyo. So, hindi nyo na kailangan tumayo para patayin or buksan yung ilaw. Then, there are also USB and Type-C na saksakan. On the other side, ganun din. Meron ding controls for the lights. And at the same time, meron ding control, yung control sa labas ng door mo kung gusto mo ng housekeeper or do not disturb, yung mga ganun. Then in front of the 2 double bed is this massive television. Parang pang sine. Oh my God, ang laki, mga bestie ko. And we also have a dining table here, good for 2. Let's now proceed to the bathroom. Oh my God, mga bestie ko. Alam mo yung hotel ko 2 nights ago, feel ko ganito yung size. Kasing size lang ng bathroom ng Hilton. Nakakaloka! So, as you can see here, ang laki ng lavabo area. Lavabo area, hindi nakakakasi. We are in a fine dining restaurant. Charis. As you can see here, yung quality ng towels pa lang dito, ang ganda na. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba yung pagkalambot niya? Then we have here body lotion, hand wash, provided na yan. On this side, meron na rin hair dryers, yung mga basic amenities na kailangan nyo for your stay. Then on this side, may pa-door siya, is a very huge bathtub for the past 2 nights. Ang liliit po ng mga bathtub na na-experience ko. Ito, full-size bathtub po talaga siya. And beside that is a shower area as well. Then on this side, meron siyang separate door. Ang cute, no? Diba? For privacy. Is the throne. Japanese toilet, napaka-advanced. Na-try ko na siya kanina and okay po ang mga controls. Okay yung lakas, okay yung buga. Bestie approved po to. So yes mga bestie ko, if you also want to book this place or if you are also finding hotels for your Japan stay, you can actually check Klook. And of course, huwag niyong kalimutan ang aking Klook code because when you use that, you can actually save up to 5% off. Malaking bagay na rin to, diba? So in the morning, of course, para maipakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga facilities ng Hilton, we went to the swimming pool area. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, ang laki in fairness. Indoor siya though. View is not that giving, pero at least, ayun, nakaka-fresh, diba? Beside it, parang may maliit na jacuzzi sila. Then, meron ding sauna on the same area. So, imagine, diba? Very relaxation to the highest levels. Just in case lang naman, balak nyo magpakasal dito sa Japan, ayan, nagbumisita rin kami ng wedding chapel for you guys. Lakas mo ka. And also, kung nasa fitness era na rin kayo, mga bestie ko, meron silang gym. Ang ganda ng gym. Ang aliwalas. Para kang pumasok na may Muji na minimalist aesthetic. Ayan, ang peg. Ang ganda, ang linis. Parang hindi napapawisan yung mga tao dito na nag-workout.
Good morning, Col.
Good morning, Mami JM.
Good morning, Col.
Good morning, Chuck and Joe.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ivan.
Hello, good morning, Cols. I'm back again sa Cols official vlog.
Fanatics.
Fanatics na lang.
Kamusta ang tulog nila? Grabe, sobrang sarap daw.
10 PM pa lang po tulog na ako. Hindi ko na sila pinapansin.
At nag-bathtub ka pa. Nag-bathtub ka pa. Si O ito eh. Nag-bathtub pa siya.
Uy, na-feature si Cole sa sa Japan TV. Hiroshima TV.
Oo nga. Si Ivan din ba?
Oo. Cameo lang naman ako. Hindi naman ako nagsalita doon.
Ayan o, na-feature kami. Ang dami kong sinami doon.
Ano ba tinanong sa'yo? Hindi ko kasi napanood talaga.
Ang dami. Buffet pa lang, panalo na. Atake na mami ko. Ang daming mga roast na mga buffet areas. Check natin ang mga foodang. So, very western, vegetarian area. We have here the pasta area, mga tinapay. Ito naman yung mga Hiroshima specialty. May miso station. Tapos, I think dito yung Asian area. Ayun na, so may mga Japanese food things. Edamame tofu. So, dito naman yung very basic breakfast food. So, right now, hindi ko actually alam kung anong kukunin ko, but laban. We're already here sa area kung saan kami sa summit. Ay! Oh my gosh! Look at the vibe, mga bestie ko. So, we are here with our creators. Mga nakahawli kami, of course. Team Philippines, mabuhay! Ang ganda! As in, buong area, pwede kayo mag-picture-picture before heading to the room where we will hold our, yun nga, summit talaga. Oh my God! So, hanapin mo yung faces mo here. Ayan ako! Team what? What? When I say hep hep, you say hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Let's go! Let's go! Philippines, let's go! Let's go! So, ayan, tapos na po kami sa aming first part of today's event, yung summit. So, ang dami namin natutunan. We were able to witness, or we were able to hear speeches from the CEO and si Marcos. Actually, he's one of the first person who trusted me 10 years ago with Klook. And seeing him on stage, parang sobrang nakaka-inspire talaga. Then, on top of that, we actually also had a few activities to discuss about content, you know, how to grow your platform, how to sustain yung career mo, not just with Klook, but as a content creator as well. So, diba? Very, very insightful ang nangyari for today's video. And first half pa lang to ng araw na to. So, Hello! Hello guys! Hello besties! So welcome to my salon. So may mga bestie tayo na magpapa-eyeshadow sa akin kahit hindi naman ako marunong. So let's go! Nakamit na me for tonight's event. Welcome sa salon! Sa ulo po yung mga clients ko guys. Saya nga ba guys? Tapos naglagay na ako ng ganun-ganun. Oh my god mga bestie ko. So hindi na ako nakapag-update. Here is the final look.
We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
Mga basta ko. Oh my god, sobrang lutang pa ako. It's already around 10 AM. Ayan o, natutulog pa rin yung mata ko. We're already in a different part here in Hiroshima. Onomichi. Onomichi? Quick story time muna at bakit ako lutang right now. Last night, ayan ang mga pangyayari.
I never do, I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a day.
2:30 AM ang naman kami nakatulog and ang call time earlier was around almost 9 AM. 11 AM na pala ngayon, sorry. O, diba lutang? Sa panahon ngayon, hindi ko na po kinakaya ang mga party-party inuman. Ito yung may kasalanan kung bakit po kami rakrakan. Kayo lang.
Ay, tayo. Tayo nga, namin. Kaya pa ba natin?
So anyway, we are in Onomichi area, but specifically in... Ang haba po ng name.
Ikuchijima, sorry.
Ikuchijima Island. So mga bestie ko, for us, we did a private transfer of course since this is a special trip for Creatorverse. Kung kayo, you are interested in going to Onomichi, good morning. You can actually book this tour through Klook. Ayan yung product name nila. I'll just put the link on my description box. Ay, kumaganon. And so first stop in this tour mga bestie ko is here in Kosanji Temple. This is actually a Buddhist temple na ginawa nung 1936. O, diba? Nag-research ang ako. But ginawa siya ng 1936 by a newly converted Buddhist businessman. And ginawa niya to in honor and in memory of his newly deceased mother. Hindi siya ganon ka-ancient comparing it to the other Japanese standard temples in the whole Japan. But if you could see inside, talagang na-achieve nga naman talaga ni Kuya Businessman ang architecture and talagang in-honor and in-humiliate niya ang traditional Buddhist temple. So inside, may mga couple of temple buildings. Ayan, very breathtaking as you can see. It's very unique compared to the past temples na mga nakita ko here in Japan. Then, I'm so sorry because this temple is more than just these videos kasi nag-e-extend pa yan dun sa backyard niya and may mga other places pa around. I'll just show you yung mga more information about this temple. Unfortunately and intentionally, hindi ko na talaga siya pinuntahan kasi talagang napaka-init po right now. Pag hindi ako nagpa-fan, para akong nahihilo. If you happen to go here mga bestie ko, balitaan nyo ako in the comment section below if anong mga ganap na na-witness nyo aside from what I witnessed. So habang naghihintay kay May, magla-live selling ko muna ako ng cooling towel. Ay May, ayan. Pakainit, bestie ko. Sa mga tita out there, please, samahan nyo naman ako. Validate me. Ganito na rin ba kayo? Ayan! Oh my gosh! It actually is effective. The moment na tinouch ang skin mo, ano na siya? Refreshing. Oh, yun lang mukha akong driver. Hindi siya nakaka-aesthetic, but oh my God. So, sakto mga bestie ko, halos katapat lang ng aming temple na binisit ay ang aming lunch area. Ayan na, lunchtime na, our favorite time of the day. And ang maganda pa dito, air condition. So, fresh na ulit tayo. So, we're currently having lemon nabe. So, basically, it's a lemon hot pot. It's a Hiroshima specialty, mga beshi ko. So, this is my first time eating this. So, laman nito, may seafood, meat, tofu, and vegetables. May toppings na lemon. Then, as you can see, kaya nga hot pot, ayan, may pa, shining, shimmering, splendid over here. So, once it is boiling, may instructions kami na tanggalin yung mga lemon kasi when it's super boiling na, syempre, it's gonna be bitter. So, depende na lang sa'yo kung paano mo siya ibabalance. So, yes, let's try it out. Itadakimasu. This is gonna be my first bite or sip. Let's see. Oh my God. It's really good. For me, I think I want more lemon. Ang sarap niya. So, as per Kuya Alvin, may tangi, or yung asim-asim na flavor, just because nga meron tayong lemon on top. Plain yung flavors, no? Walang masyadong super-duper wow na atake, but okay na siya. Sinigang pa rin mga bestie ko. So, bago kami sumabak ulit to another very hot adventure, pumunta kami din sa parang lemonade shop just beside the restaurant, and I'm trying their matcha lemonade. First time ko mag-try ng matcha lemonade. Yes! Parang lemonade lang siya. So, ayan o, even a few walks away from the lemon station is another lemon thing, and this time it's more on lemonade snacks. Mga lemonade crackers over here. Lemonade honey, parang ganon. Lemonade and honey. We have lemon spice chicken curry. What if ito ang regalo ko kay Carl? Anniversary namin ni Carl tomorrow, and I think bibilang ko siya ng chicken curry pero lemon spice. I think I will give him this one kasi anniversary namin tomorrow and hindi ko siya makakasama at nagtatrabaho po tayo dito sa Japan. It's our 6th anniversary, so I think I'm gonna give him this para at least I'm thinking about you while I'm seeing lemons here in Hiroshima. Eme! The face says it all. So good. Cheers! Cheers!
Masarap.
So, 40 minutes from yung kaninang pinuntahan natin. 40 minutes by bus. We are already here in the heart of Onomichi City naman, which is called Onomichi Hondori Shotengai. So, it's a shopping street, mga bestie ko. So, as you can see, it is 1.2 kilometers long. May mga shops na talagang long established na. May mga trendy cafes, may mga souvenir shops. It's also called Onomichi Shopping Street. So, literal talaga na street siya na punong-puno ng mga shops.
But I already made this, not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
lagkit na ng face ko, but I am happy. So, next destination is Mount Senkoji. But before we reach that mountain, we will be riding a cable car or ropeway ang tinatawag nila. Mga bestie ko, if ever you are planning to DIY this and hindi nyo bet mag-tour or alam mo yun, gusto nyo mag-over the counter, the ticket per way is 500 yen. Kung gusto nyo i-hike, kayo na bahala. Pwede naman, may access naman. Standing ovation ang atake sa loob ng ropeway, kung makikita nyo. And it's probably around mga 3 minutes ride lang. Around like that. mainit sa loob, but the view is really, really nice. The third floor is this view. Basically, mga bestie ko, ganyan lang kaliit ang buong observatory. Mahaba. As you can see. Ang ganda. Imagine, 100 years ago, abo lang to, mga bestie ko. And now, it's a beautiful city.
Wow.
Right. Wow. Right now, we are going down from the most top part of the area. Kami magdi-DIY pababa so that we could go through the additional attractions. So, madadaanan namin siya while we go down. I believe it's a 15 to 20 minutes down the stairs till you reach the pinakababa. Hindi naman ganun kahirap yung pababa. And you're surrounded with, you know, the forest. The trees. So, hindi mainit. Fresh siya actually. Senkoji Temple is 200 meters down. Ito yung Bungaku no Komichi Park. It's very charming. Ayan o. Tapos naririnig nyo ba yung birds? Kita nyo ba yung pawis ko? It's really giving nature. Waterfalls, ganon. So now, we are here in the Senkoji. And ang daming ganap in fairness. We have here the New Year's bell. So basically, niriring to during New Year's. Then we also have here in the backdrop is again yung same view as dun sa taas, but it makes it more special because may bell nga na nasa, you know, as a main character. I mean, ako lang ba? Ba't mukha talaga siyang painting? Oh? Ang ganda. Every time I see this view, I always have this perspective na, grabe, there's really hope. Nirebuild nila to 100 years ago. So, on this other side, mga bestie ko, is, ayan, first, ang ganda ng sound daw. Explain ko to later. But, for now, itong part na to, this is actually yung mga fortunes. You can pick a fortune, and may sentence dyan on that paper. That's your fortune. And if bet na bet mo, and if good fortune siya, you can actually keep it with you, take it with you. But, if hindi giving, or hindi masyadong good fortune, or bad luck, you know, you can actually tie it here sa mga, ayan, the lower the better daw, para kasi ang significance is tataas siya, you know, para maging good fortune, ganun ang kanilang peg. Then on this side naman are bells with wishes na nakasabit. You can avail it at 1,700 yen if I'm not mistaken. And as per the tour guide, I'm not sure kung tama, seasonal lang naman daw siya, especially during summer kasi it just basically complements the, you know, the lively weather through the sound. Then ayun, may pagsabit ng wish, if you wanna make a wish. So yun, take note, hindi nyo madadaanan ang temple and yung isang napuntahan natin if mag-ropeway kayo. Kung magra-ropeway kayo pabalik, so necessary talaga na mag-stairs kayo pabalik. Hababa ng 15 to 20 minutes para ma-witness nyo itong mga additional attractions. So, madadaanan nyo din pala ang Cat Alley. So, it's basically just a small alley. Liit lang with basically mga pusa na art. So, sa floor, sa walls, kanyan, may mga naka-display din sometimes on some corners na mga figurines na cats. Ay, I would want to come back to Hiroshima during autumn season. I think it's gonna be very, very beautiful. So, ayan, the end of the alley is the beginning of the, yan, yung point of origin natin kanina before we rode the ropeway. Alright! So, nakapag-dinner na kami at hindi ko po siya na-vlog kasi first, pagod na pagod. Parang kumuha tayo ng ganyan sa'yo. Napagod. Sobrang pagod. And pangalawa, gutom. So, pasensya na po, hindi na ako nakapag-update. But right now, after dinner, may kaunting energy na ulit. We will be transferring from Hiroshima to Osaka already. Mag-Osaka na po kami tonight. Kaya pa ba? Sakat na ng katawan ko. Parang, but, lalaban tayo. We'll be taking this JR Shinkansen. But right now, kunin lang namin yung luggage namin. Walking distance na lang naman din ang train station from here. So, I'll update you later. Ang dami namin ang gulo. And dito na po nagtatapos ang second vlog natin, mga bestie ko. Kung curious kayo sa next adventure ko from Hiroshima to Osaka, abangan nyo next week. Every Thursday na po akong mag-a-upload ng bagong videos. Every vlog I post, I feel like I'm getting better. Super excited ako to share the next one with you. Thanks for watching!